So here's I have it, bolt right there, and this is how easy this is. You could just yank this little guy as much as you want. Okay, get that belt on, and bada bang, bada boom. Thank you for watching, guys. Move the belt using a pry bar. There's no really tool, so you could just push this little guy from right back here. Look at that. So here's my invention for CLA250. So you got to get that belt up on the alternator. It's gonna squeeze between the tensioner there, so you're gonna have to push the tensioner first and get the belt in there, so it's gonna lock it up. So what I did was I got only one hand here, so I'm gonna put all this together so you guys can see my little invention that I did. So put this in and put pry bar right through there to yank that little guy. I'm gonna show you that just in a second. So here's I have it, bolt right there, and this is how easy this is. You could just yank this little guy as much as you want. Okay, get that belt on, and bada bang, bada boom. Thank you for watching, guys. Hopefully I helped you guys out there. See you guys on the next video. I did an oil pan on this baby.